Hello everyone, welcome back to another Crazy for Sneakers video. In today's video, I did a quick restoration on my big brother's Bred 4s. And the story goes that he wore them 3 times, and the third time he went to an amusement park and was on his feet for about 10 hours. And they cracked, and he called me, let me know, asked me if I can fix them up for him, and I did. You can see the cracking on the midsole. You can see the black is all messed up, the white is all messed up, and I'll be fixing those shortly. So let's get into it. To start this restoration, I'm going to remove the paint, and I have to tape the shoe so the paint remover doesn't get on the nubuck and mess it up. This new method I've learned on how to take off the paint is with this paint remover and some Scotch pads. You can purchase both at Home Depot. When applying the paint remover, leave sit for a couple seconds. Watch it bubble up the paint and then remove the paint with the Scotch pads. When you're done removing the paint, your midsole should be nice and smooth just like this. Now it's time to clean the shoes. It's good to clean the shoes after taking the paint off to clean out any extra paint residue. I'm going to use a small plastic bowl, some Angelus Easy Cleaner for the uppers, an Angelus brush, and the foam cleaner for the outsoles later. So now that the shoe is nice and clean, we have to tape everything back up and get it ready for paint. The first color I'll be laying down is Angelus flat white leather paint. After 4 coats of white, the shoe is already coming back to life. As you can see where the black goes, I only put around 2 coats of white. And now we're going to get it taped up and ready for the black. The second color I'll be laying down is Angelus flat black leather paint. everyone. I hope you guys liked that video. It took me a while to get this done. Shout out to my big bro for messing these shoes up so I can show you guys how to fix shoes. And if you guys have any comments about this or questions about this restoration, you can comment down below. I'll gladly reply and help you guys if you guys need help with learning how to do any of these steps. Also in the description below, I put the music that I use down there. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My Instagram is Crazy4Sneakers and my Twitter is Everyone's Big Bro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hit that thumbs up button. Those likes, man, they'll help me so much, and I appreciate you guys showing so much love and support. I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time of day it is, wherever you are. Peace and God bless.